Second problem, select and use the identity that will help you to find the following products. We need to select the identity and we need to find the product without multiplying directly. Okay, so there is no multiplication. So let's start the solution. So the first one is 41 square. So this 41 can be written as 40 plus 1 square. Okay, so if you see this one, it is representing or it is same like a plus b whole square. So what is the identity? A square plus b square plus 2ab, or you can write a square plus b plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so now let us substitute in place of a 40, in place of b 1. Okay, so a is 40 and b is 1. 4 square is 16, and for 1 zeros we will get 2 zeros, plus 1 square is 1, plus 2 fours are 8, 80, 81s are 80. Now let us add this 1 6 0 8 0 1 1. 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 and 1. So this is 1681. Now let us solve second bit. 27 whole square. For this also we can write 30 minus 3 whole square. It is in the form a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a is 30 square minus 2, a is 30, b is 3 plus 3 square. So 30 means 3 square is 9, and for 1 0 we will get 2 zeros. Minus 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, minus plus 3 square is 9. So what we have to do, from let us add this to 900 plus 9 is 909, and if we subtract 180 we will get 9, and 10 minus 8 is 2, and 8 minus 1 is 7. So we got 729. 729. Now let us solve third bit. Third bit, 23 into 17. So this can be written as 20 plus 3 into 20 minus 3. So the formula will be a plus b into a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So here a is 20 square minus b is 3 square. So 2 square is 4. For 1 0 we will get 2 zeros, minus 3 square is 9. So if we subtract 9 from 400, you will get 391. Now let us solve fourth bit. So the fourth bit is 135 whole square. So what we can do, we can separate this 100 plus 35 whole square. It is in the form a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, or you can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so a square of 100, square of 100 plus 35 square plus 2 into 100 into 35. So 100 square, that will be 10,000 plus 35 square. This one we already know that 1225 plus 2 into 35 is 70 and into 100 means 7,000. Now let us add this all. So if you add 10,000 and 1225 and 7,000, you will get 52281. So 18225. Now let's solve fifth bit. So fifth bit is 97 square. So 97 square means 3 less than 100. So 100 minus 3 whole square, and the formula a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is 100, 100 square minus 2, a is 100, b is 3 plus b square is 3. So 100 square is 1000, 10,000, 2 3 is 6, 6 into 100 is 600 plus 3 square is 9. Okay, so if we add 10,000 plus 9, it will be 10,000 plus 9, okay, minus 600. If you subtract this, 0, 10 minus 6 is 4 and 9. So 9409. Next will be sixth bit, 18 into 29. So 18 can be written as 20 minus 2, and this will be 20 plus 9. So what is happening? The formula here is, it is both are different. Okay, so x plus a we can write into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So this is the formula. Okay, we will consider this a as negative. Okay, then only you can take this formula. Okay, so is equals to x square is nothing but 20 square plus a is minus 2 plus b is 9 and x is nothing but 20 plus ab, that is negative 2 into 9. So 20 square will be 2 square is 4, and for 1 0 we will get 2 zeros. 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 2s are 14. So 140 plus into minus is minus 2 9s are 18. Okay, now let us subtract. So first we will add these two, it will become 540 minus 18. So 500, and let us write like this, 540 minus 10 is 530. 530 minus 8 is 522. 522. Seventh bit, 34 into 43. So this 34 can be written as 38 minus 4. Okay, and 43 can be written as 38 plus 5. So again this is in the formula x plus a, x plus a into x plus b, which is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So here x is 38, so 38 square plus minus 4 is a plus 5, and x is 38 plus a is negative 4 and b is 5. So 38 square. So 38 square is nothing but 1444 plus 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 into 38 is 38, plus into minus is minus. Okay. So this will be minus 5 fours are 20. Again, if we subtract 1, let us write same as it is, and 38 minus 20 is 18. So if we add this 18 with 144, we will get 1462. And the last one is 205 whole square. So let us do here 205 whole square. This can be written as 200 plus 5 whole square. So formula is a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a is 200 square plus 2, a is 200, b is 5 plus 5 square. 200 square is 2 square is 4, and 20 square is 4 zeros, plus 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20, so it will be 2000, plus 5 square is 25. So if we add this all, 4000, sorry, 40,000 and 2000, 2025. So it is 25024. So we got 42025.